This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Nationwide Insurance.
Life is full of unexpected surprises, and no one can plan for everything that could possibly happen. But as the saying goes, there are only two certainties in life: death and taxes.
Well, our next guest can't help you with the taxes, but he can help make sure that your loved ones are provided for should the unexpected happen. We'd like for you to welcome Corey Fetterman to Delmarva Life. He's a nationwide insurance agent out of Milford. Thank you so much for coming in, Corey. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so we're talking about life insurance, and it's pretty much accepted. You ought to have it. I want to ask you a very simple question. We'll start from the very bottom level. Why?
Why? Because eventually you're going to die.
Yeah.
And you're going to leave family behind and loved ones behind that depend on you.
Right.
There's multiple reasons for life insurance, but that's probably one of the biggest. You know, if your family comes first and you want to protect your family, you have to think beyond the living and what happens after you are gone. You know, my wife and my kids, I go to the end of the earth for them.
Right.
And my wife is a stay-at-home mom. If something happens to me, she does not have anything to fall back on.
No income.
No income. So it's important to really plan ahead while you're young, while you're healthy.
So there are two types of insurance: term life and whole life. Can be a little bit confusing. Can you sort it out for us?
It is. As I was just telling you, T is for temporary. Term. Okay. So you have term, you have whole life. Term is going to serve a period of time. You have policies that you can purchase, a 5-year policy, a 10-year policy, 15, 20, even a 30-year policy. You have a 30-year mortgage. What happens in the event that you pass away and you have this mortgage still hanging out there? A term policy, a 30-year term, can help supplement that income in the event something happens. That way, you know, my wife would have, you know, she could pay the house off in full.
Right.
And be comfortable, not have that stress and burden of where am I going to live? What am I going to do next?
So who would you say that a term policy is best for?
A term is anybody that has a mortgage, anybody that has co-signed on a loan for a child, a student loan, something like that. I know of a friend of mine who their son had a student loan, went away to college.
Right.
They co-signed on a loan. Unfortunately, something happened. The son died.
Yeah.
He passed away in college. And so they are stuck with the balance of this loan.
Oh.
And the burden and the loss of their son.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, you know, $15 a month could have, you know, on a term policy for a 10-year policy could have helped, you know, offset those expenses.
Yeah.
You know, it's tough enough having to deal with the loss, let alone the financial burden that comes with it.
Right. So what happens at the end of the term? Can you?
At the end of the term, yes. At the end of the term, what you can do with the Nationwide products, all companies are different, but with the Nationwide product, you can convert that to a permanent policy. So you have all the way to the end of the term, whether it's 5, 10, 15, 20 years, to that date that you can convert that to a permanent policy, which is a whole life policy. Now, you asked what whole life was.
Right.
Whole life is a permanent policy, so as long as you pay the premium on that, you will continue to have that the rest of your life.
Okay.
It's definitely more expensive than a term because it is permanent, but it does accumulate cash values. You can borrow against it down the road. There's, you know, I've taken whole life policies out on my kids at birth. So by the time they reach 16, 18 years old, they're going to have money in there that's accumulated that they could borrow against themselves to have purchase their first car.
Okay. How often should somebody review their policies with their agent?
I ask for a review at least once every, I'd say 5 years.
Yeah.
It's not an annual thing. But what happens is that people don't understand, just as you, what they have.
Right.
You know, as I purchase a policy for my kids, I talk to clients all the time that have had policies for 30, 40 years, but they don't understand what they have. What, you know, their life has changed. Yeah, and they say, well, I've got a life policy, but that life policy might be enough for a burial, but
Right.
would be enough to help support, you know, in your family in the event something were to happen
that loss,
to you.
yeah.
So it's good to review. There's all different types of policies. You know, there's some policies, universal life policies, that they pay into the cost of insurance goes up as you get older, and you're not paying enough into it from the get-go. So now they're at a point in their life where the policies are going to lapse, and they don't understand that. So,
But
and their
it's-
health issues they might acquire health issues, whatever the case may
Yeah.
be.
But if
and
you
now-
are confused, that's why we have people like you with Nationwide
Absolutely,
Insurance,
you know,
and you just ask your insurance agent.
I can review current policies and lay out a game plan. We have some personal questions, kind of get into the nitty-gritty, but it's well worth the time, and we're happy to do that.
Thank you so much.
You're the man,
Corey
Corey. Thank
Fetterman,
you.
Nationwide
Appreciate that.
Insurance Agent in Milford.
Yeah.